In front of me is OPPO A54s, and let me show you how to activate developer options here. So at first reach settings, then find and select about phone, and now click on version. To unlock developer panel, you need to tap 7 times on build number, and as you can see, it has been unlocked. Let me go back, and now you can find it under additional settings, right here. So you can smoothly use everything. Scroll it all the way down, you'll find here many truly useful features, and then whenever you'd like to switch developer panel off, just use the stop switcher again, and as you can see, they are no longer accessible. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.